Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will solve this problem step by step and learn a simple method to simplify this beautiful, nice math problem. 1 over 1 minus square root of 3 all square. Let's begin. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given nice math problem. 1 over 1 minus square root of 3 all square. This is equal to 1 over 1 minus square root of 3 multiplied by 1 minus square root of 3, because if you have 1 over a minus b all square, this is equal to 1 over a minus b multiplied by a minus b. If you have s minus y or s plus y all square, this is equal to s plus y multiplied by s plus y. So that is how we got this denominator. This is equal to 1 over 1 times 1, 1 minus 1 times root 3. Root 3 minus root 3 multiplied by 1, that is root 3. Then minus root 3 multiplied by minus root 3, this will be plus root 3 all square. This is equal to 1 over 1 minus root 3 minus root 3. This is minus 2 root 3. Then this cancel this plus 3. This is equal to 1 over, this is 1 plus 3. That is 4 minus 2 root 3. Now the denominator, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. If you have 1 minus 2 root 2, the conjugate, this is equal to 1 over 4 minus 2 root 3. The conjugate of 4 minus 2 root 3 will be 4 plus 2 root 3. This multiplied by 4 plus 2 root 3 over 4 plus 2 root 3. This is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 all over, here 4 times 4 we have 16. Then 4 multiplied by 2 root 3, that is plus 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 multiplied by 4, this is minus 8 root 3. Then minus 2 root 3 multiplied by plus 2 root 3, this will be minus 4 multiplied by root 3 all square. This is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 over 16. This cancel this. These two cancel this root. We have minus 4 multiplied by 3. This is same thing as we have 4 plus 2 root 3 over 16 minus 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. And this is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 over 16 minus 12, that is 4. And this is equal to 4 over 4 plus 2 over 4 root 3. This 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. And this is same thing as we have 1 plus 1 over 2 root 3. And this is equal to 1 plus 1 multiplied by root 3. This is root 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. Or the LCM here is 2. We have 2 plus root 3 all over 2. This also correct. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.